National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Perry County in central Arkansas, northwestern Grant County in central Arkansas, southwestern Conway County in central Arkansas, southwestern Faulkner County in central Arkansas, Garland County in central Arkansas, Saline County in central Arkansas, southeastern Yale County in central Arkansas, Hot Spring County in southwestern Arkansas, northeastern Montgomery County in western Arkansas, northwestern Pulaski County in central Arkansas. Until 9 p.m. At 8:12 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Perry to Nerola to 8 miles east of Fush Valley, moving south at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Little Rock, Hot Springs, Benton, West Little Rock, Maumelle, Bryant, Hot Springs Village, Malvern, Morrilton, Danville, Perryville, Southwest Little Rock, Haskell, Shannon Hills, Mayflower, Ola, Apello, Mountain Pine, Rockport, Traskwood,